Static files are necessary for any kind of website or web application. In this lesson, we are going to talk about how to add static files into our existing HTML template. So let's get back to the code editor and figure out how we can do that. So here is our temp.html templating file, and we are calling it from our temp method, and we bound it to a route /temp/name. So till now, what we are doing is we are rendering the template from here and passing some data, and inside this template we want to add a static file which is basically going to be a CSS file. So how we can do that? Let's create a link here, and here for the href we will set to a file called style.css, and the method that we are going to use inside the href to refer to the correct style file is URL for. We have already used it here in our Python code. Here you can see we have used the URL for, and inside this we have passed two arguments. The first one is the method name, and the second one is the values or arguments that we want to pass to the specific method. Now in case of this one, the first thing that we are going to pass here is the folder name, and basically we are going to place all the static files into a folder called static. And the next one will be the file name. Now save this, and this static folder we need to create it at the root level. Now inside the static folder we need to create the style.css file, and now inside this we can write our style. Let's save this and get back to the browser. Here you can see. Now let's check the source code. So here you can see the URL for method is going to return this string, and the string contains the path to our style sheet. The folder static is now publicly accessible, and the style sheets inside this, anyone can directly access that by using the link provided. So this is the way to deal with static files in Flask.